Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. In today's video, I'm doing something a little different. I'm actually reviewing some scrubs from Scrub Life, and these are her yoga style scrubs. So I said, you know what, I am aspiring baby yogi, so let me go ahead and do a few sun salutations in my beautiful pink scrubs from Scrub Life. Now these have great fit. I love that they have a tapered look to them, and they also are a little loose in some areas and tight in some areas, and they feel like butter, you all. I had someone comment on the way they look, and she was like, they look like butter. It just looks amazing. So they definitely feel really good next to your skin, and they have a great stretch, as you can see. So something I want to encourage you all to do, besides buying these scrubs, of course, and supporting a Black female-owned business, is I suggest that you all get outside or even in your homes and move around, maybe even try yoga. Some of the benefits of yoga is that it helps you to become more connected with your breath. It helps you to expand your lungs and to take deep breaths and to help to oxygenate your body way more than what we do on a regular basis. And we all know that oxygen is carried through our blood cells as well as other nutrients. And if we can get more blood pumping through our body, more oxygen pumping through our body, we are a lot more healthier and we feel so much better. So definitely support Scrub Life. Support the channel by using my link down below. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a little kickback every time you use it. It's a great way to support the channel without any additional cost to you. And look at this right here. These scrubs have this like mesh part at the underarms. I don't know if that was I'm sure it was by design. To me, I feel like that mesh part helps with some aeration to that part of your body. And look at the pockets. The pockets are really big, spacious. There aren't any back pockets, which I'm okay with because I never use back pockets. And I like the way that the seam is on the pants. But it's like, I like the way it lays. As you can see, you can drop down real low in these scrubs because you never know when you got to do that. But yes, get into these scrubs, you all. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy something a little different from the channel, and I hope you support this business. And like I said, it's like butter. Look at that. It just glides through. All right, you all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you use my discount code to get 15% off your scrubs. Don't be afraid. Get out there, move your body. Look, I'm not looking the way I want to look, but I got outside. I move my body. I breathe. I do my yoga as much as I can, as often as I can. I need to do it a little bit more. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.